if you compare us with Intel, we have 2,000 people compared to their 100,000 people. We have a small fraction of the revenue that they do. Our partners ship about 8 billion cores a year, which is significantly more than Intel. We have a totally different business model to Intel. It's all about partnerships. And so the ARM partnership is really what is important, and that size is really big. ARM is just a small core part of that. When Intel make announcements and they show phones, you clearly have to take this seriously, and we've taken Intel seriously every time they've announced products, and they've been talking about phones for the last 6 years. Clearly they've now got products coming out from key partners, and yes, we take that very seriously, but we as a partnership work very hard to make sure that the differentiation happens across business models. We make sure we're leading in power, we make sure all the software is critical, and we really work at all of that across a broad spectrum of products. Now for ARM, that's tablets, that's DTVs, that's phones, and that's all of our key partners that we work with. Clearly our business model is totally different to the way Intel works. We have 275 licensees, each with their own unique parts, each with an opportunity to really differentiate it in the marketplace. Secondly, we believe in all the software model across the whole of our partnerships as well. So we have multiple software partners working on multiple software stacks. And thirdly, I think our graphics, our Mali graphics, is clearly the best in the market. It is significantly larger in licensees, and we've seen performance ARM versus Imagination, ARM being clearly the best at the moment. The conversation I had with a partner earlier on today, and they said they'd walked the floor and it felt like you were no more than 10 feet away from an ARM product anywhere in this show. And if you look at it, you go look at the automotive side, you look at the embedded and the control. I've seen ARMs in everything from seats that recline and play you music through to high-end cars. So I was on the NVIDIA stand and I saw their new Tesla S with a 20-inch touchscreen in the car. I'm really proud of the breadth of product. I'm really proud of the ability of the ARM partners to show this and showcase what's going on. And I think our ability to lead in all this low power environment with all the software diversity that we have is something that you can only see in a show like this.